Check out the environment. Someone taking a shower right there. And then over there looks like they're picking up rocks over there on the right side. I'm gonna save the highlight. I got some highlights. I'm gonna zoom in on my wife. Let me see. She's brushing her teeth right now. I accidentally pushed the anyway, the phone got some pretty good zoom. So yeah. Check out. Look at that. Well, I mean, yeah, it is a mountain. Okay. Look how high it is. Not too long ago, there was a lot of rain due to the tsunamis and stuff like that. So there was like big sand slides right there and up that way. So look at my wife, y'all. I'm waving at her like this. I'm waving at her and she's smiling. I am sure the water is pretty cold. It's always cold. I actually brought this bottle. I brought this right here. What I do, I fill it up with water right there on that water hose, and then I take it back home, and then I use it to shower because we have no water source at home. What we can do is put like a water. We can put like a water well, but it's gonna have to. We were gonna put a water well, but I don't know. We got other business. I have other business ideas that I want to do. So we're gonna do that, and then we'll figure it out. Figure out what we want to do. I got the water right here. Well, the bucket. Oh, something's up in here. Oh wow, look what I found. I didn't even know this was right here. It's a heart. La 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 la. Ooh da 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 da. It's just like a metal heart or something. We use it like an emblem. Uh, saving some highlights. Let me see if I can save another one.